Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So this is Hannah and she's coming today for a fresh set. So I done all the prep on her natural nails. I did record oh excuse me, I did record that, but I thought I'd leave it for a separate video. So yeah, done all the prep and now we're going in with design. So here I'm using Cinnamon from CJP. This set was inspired by Lewis, I'm going to say Escape, but maybe I'm wrong. It's Lewis something on Instagram. I'll leave his name in the description box, but this set was heavily inspired by him. So I'm using my Glitter Planet Aqua brush size 14 today. I've still got the sticky brush. I need to buy a new one, but I'm just having to put up with it for now. So yeah, I'm going to do that on the baby here. So the ring finger's just going to look a little bit crazy until we're finished. What am I doing? Usually I cut stuff like this out. I know. Oh yeah, so I lay this colour down, then I realised that actually I need to do the base colour first. So I just come in with a nude and just cover her nail bed area just to even out the colour. And then I come back in with the cinnamon. So it looks like I'm trying to do a smile line, but I'm really not. I just wanted to just have the cover down going up to the sides a little bit. So it looks like a really bad smile line. So yeah, it will look crazy until the end. Lovely, hey? So the middle finger is just again going to be a full now of cinnamon. Cinnabon. Oh, that makes me want to have a cinnamon bun. I went to Lakeside actually the other day and I was looking for Cinnabon. I think it was called Cinnabon. And me and my niece, because we both wanted one, we was walking around for ages trying to find this bloody cinnamon like donut cake sort of place. And we was walking everywhere. And then I just asked somebody who was working. I went, where's Cinnabon or whatever it's called? She went, oh, it shut down last week or a couple of weeks ago. So I was absolutely fuming. And she was like, do you want to buy one of my donuts? And I went, no. But anyway, I don't know why I told you that, but hey. So, yeah, full now of that. And then on the pointer finger, we're going to... Can you hear my guinea pigs? They make the most cutest noise. I'm easily getting distracted tonight, aren't I? The pointer finger is going to be full now, just plain really. I just wanted, again, the nude at the on the nail bed, and then I'll add some little bits of gold shards from Sonia Williams. So yeah, the thumb, just a full nail of cinnamon. And I love my application watch. Boom, boom, tuck it, drag it, boom, boom, tuck it, drag it. I love that. Look at the coverage on that, honestly. Beautiful. Absolutely bloody gorgeous. I tell you. I've lost it. Anyway, I've then capped all the nails. I thought I'd just show me capping one. The best one, obviously. In crystal glass. So then I'm going to come in with my Efile and whiz over all her nails. I keep forgetting to use, because my saeyang K35 is on the desk, keep forgetting to use my cuckoo, if I say that wrong, cuckoo drill. So I'm going to use it tomorrow. If I've got anyone in, have I? Yeah, I've got 3 people in tomorrow, so I'm going to use it tomorrow. So yeah, just debulk, whiz over all the nails, flatten that cuticle out, and all the great stuff that we have to do. And then I'll shape them and buff them, and then we're going to go in with a little bit of freehand sort of design. Oh, and I'm using my vodex machine, obviously, and I don't know if I keep saying it, but I'm still absolutely loving the no smell. I still just can't get my head around it, that it just takes the smell away. How the hell? I know there's like 2 carbon filters in it, but how the hell is that? I just can't believe it. I really can't. I'll much prefer it for that than anything else. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Oh, so anyway, we're straight on to our design. So here I've already done, I wanted to have a smooth base, but I think that was a bad choice. It was a little bit too smooth. I top coated it first and wiped away any sticky layer. There wasn't a sticky layer because it was tag free, but you know what I'm saying. And now I'm coming in with a little design. So I went in first with acrylic paint. Nah, man, what the hell? Not for lines, not with this brush anyway. I need a new brush, like a really thin and really long detailed brush. Can anyone help me here, because I struggle? Maybe I'm gonna have to make my own. So the gel paint, the acrylic paints were a no-go, so I went in with just black gel. Wasn't 100% happy, I'm not gonna lie. I like to be honest with you guys. Wasn't 100% happy with how it turned out. I thought I could have done it a lot thinner, but definitely down to the brush. So yeah, I'm just gonna make that little pattern here. So then I'm going to top coat that in like a matte top coat from the Gel Bottle Ink. Love it. And now back to this wonky, weird smile line. I'm going to do like a little crystal design. So I'm using this crystal, crystal picker-upper thing. I don't know what they call them. From CJP, I think. I've got 2, one from CJP and one from Cuckoo Nails. I think it's CJP one, but you know they're all the same, right? And I'm just going to make this cute little crystal design. So cute, right? Super cute. So now I'm going in with a top coat on the rest of the nails. The original set that I've kind of copied, they're not exactly the same. I took inspiration from what all matte, sorry. But girl, I ain't about that life. One nail matte I can cope with. The whole set, I just couldn't bear it. So I decided to gloss the rest. So I'm using, the Gel Blotting Extreme Shine, and here is your final result. Thank you so much for watching. Hope I haven't rambled on too much. And I'll see you in my next one. Bye.